Let me ask you something honest. How much time did you spend on your last blog post? The research, the writing, the edits, probably hours, right? And after all that effort, how did it rank? Because here's the thing, most bloggers don't find out until it's too late. The reason your content isn't ranking has nothing to do with how hard you worked. It has everything to do with something most people skip entirely. On-page SEO optimization, the invisible checklist that Google uses to decide if your content even deserves to be seen. And today I want to show you how WriteRush's real-time SEO scoring solves that problem automatically as you write, without needing a single extra tool. Stay with me. This one is genuinely going to change how you write blogs. So here's what the typical blogger workflow looks like right now. You research your keyword, you write your post, maybe 1,500, 2,000 words, you hit publish, and then you wait. Maybe a week later, you check Google Search Console and realize your article is sitting at position 34, and you have no idea why. So you go back, you read the post again, and you think this is good content. Why isn't it working? The answer is almost always the same. The SEO fundamentals weren't in place. Your keyword wasn't in the right headings. Your structure was all over the place. These aren't hard things to fix, but you have to know about them, and most people don't find out until it's too late. That is the exact problem WriteRush's SEO scoring was built to eliminate. Looking at all 6 screenshots carefully, I can see the exact interface, all 4 scoring categories, every checklist item, the tip system, and the live score improvement flow. Here are the 2 rewritten segments. So your blog draft is done. You've gone through the guided workflow. Topic, title, outline, and draft are all checked off in the left panel. You're right here in the draft section, looking at your finished article. Now watch the top right corner of the screen. You see this button right here, SEO score. This is the moment where WriteRush shifts from content creator to content optimizer. Click it. The SEO analysis panel opens right here on the right side of your draft. It doesn't take you anywhere. You don't leave your content, everything stays on the same screen. Now the first thing you'll notice is that WriteRush asks you for a few details. You have a focus keyword field at the top, this is your primary target keyword. Below that, secondary keywords, up to 5. Then meta title, meta description, and the URL slug. These aren't optional extras. WriteRush uses all of them to evaluate your SEO readiness. Not just what's inside the article, but how it's going to appear in search results too. Fill those in, then hit the Generate Score button. Click Generate Score. The score loads, and here's what you get, your overall SEO score out of 100. WriteRush breaks it down into 4 distinct scoring categories, each one weighted. Let's look at the points. Title optimization, out of 20 points. Keyword optimization, out of 30 points. Content quality, out of 30 points. Meta and technical, out of 20 points. Every point you're missing, WriteRush tells you exactly why. Every point you're missing, WriteRush tells you exactly why and exactly how to fix it. Let me show you what each category actually checks. Starting with title optimization, WriteRush is checking 3 things: length, focus keyword position, and power words. In this example, the title is 83 characters. That's too long. WriteRush flags it with a red mark and a score deduction. I need to trim it. Next, keyword optimization. This one is worth 30 points, so it carries serious weight. It's checking density and placement. Does your keyword appear in the first paragraph? In at least 2 H2 headings? Is the density right? Right now, this blog scores 0. The keyword isn't where it needs to be. Each failed check comes with a specific yellow tip box telling me exactly what to do. See this? It says Add Mobile Applications Performance Testing in H2 headings. That's a precise, actionable instruction. So I'll edit one of my headings. And look at that, the score was just updated. That's the live improvement happening in real time. Now, content quality. This is where WriteRush evaluates the writing itself. Word count, readability, sentence length, and paragraph structure. This post is doing well on word count and passive voice, but the readability score is flagged. WriteRush tells me to simplify my language. Finally, meta and technical. This category checks everything outside the body: meta description length, keywords, and URL slug optimization. WriteRush catches the missing meta description. I can write one directly in the panel. The character counter updates in real time. This is the whole point. Every single fix I make, the overall score climbs. It's a live coaching system that sits beside you while you write. Now I want to put this in perspective. External tools cost $60, $70 a month, and you're constantly switching tabs. WriteRush gives you that same SEO intelligence built right into your workflow without the separate subscription or context switching. You build good SEO habits naturally. You stop missing things. You stop publishing and hoping. You start publishing with confidence. Tools like Surfer SEO do something similar, and they're great tools. But they cost upwards of $60, $70, even $90 a month. And they exist outside your WordPress workflow, meaning you're constantly switching tabs, copying content back and forth, losing your focus. WriteRush gives you that same level of SEO intelligence, built right into your writing workflow, without the separate subscription and without the context switching. And because it's running as you write, not after, you build good SEO habits naturally. You stop missing things. You stop publishing and hoping. You start publishing with confidence. For bloggers, freelancers, content marketers, and agencies producing content at volume, that difference is enormous. WriteRush is free to install from the WordPress plugin directory. You get real-time SEO scoring on the free plan, along with blog generation, SERP-based outlines, AI image creation, and social media posts. No credit card, no time limit. Just install it, open it inside your WordPress dashboard, and see what your blog score actually looks like right now. The link is in the description. It takes about less than a minute to set up. And I think you're going to be surprised by how much of a difference it makes on your very next post. If you found this useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel. Subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this one. And drop a comment below telling me, what's your biggest SEO struggle right now? I read every single one. I'll see you in the next video.